Gosh, it's like the Arctic. Look at all these trees. That wind, it's like coming from the Arctic. It feels like ice. Literally. I should find some shards today. The shards just fall down from the tree. There's a dog roaming around. Nah, I don't think there's any shards today, which is amazing because it's been blowing wind. Like those branches up there, they look like they just want to come down. So any of them could literally break. Even that one could break. I'm pretty sure some of these branches have broken recently. Maybe not. No, there doesn't seem to be any shards, so that one looks like it wants to fall down.